How are you, Charlie?
So.
Yeah.
Not great, but I'm alive and I'm still here. And that's what's important.
How's your week been?
Ryan, every day is the same for me. I make no bones about this. I cry every day because of what happened to me. But I have to say this, there are people watching this program tonight who will probably go through the same thing as well. And they have to be brave as well. So all of us have to be brave.
What makes you cry?
Anything. The slightest thing, a memory. I was watching the All Blacks in Ireland play recently.
Yes.
I heard Ireland's call. I started to cry because I felt maybe it's the last time I'm going to hear that or see that happening. And I go through it all the time, but I have great friends, I have a great family, I have a beautiful wife, I have 5 grandkids, 2 beautiful daughters, and all my friends and everybody in this country who has contacted me has kept me going. I get uplifted by the feelings and the letters and texts and emails. And so, yeah, it's difficult, but I'm not the only one going through this. Can I make one point?
Of course, Charlie.
You know, there are thousands of people waiting for hospitals, for operations, for everything. They're all facing the same challenge in a way as me. And all I ask is that as a country, as a people, we make sure that we look after everybody who is ill and sick. And I wish it would be my final wish that we do that as a country for everybody.
It's well said.